Are you ready to explore the beautiful Philippines but worried about your budget? Well, you are in luck because in today's video, I am going to share with you 8 frugal and minimalist tips that will help you make most of your adventure without breaking the bank right now. A few years back, my wife and I went on a trip on some of the best islands of the Philippines. We wanted to experience the country's stunning beaches, the vibrant culture, and of course, the delicious cuisine. However, we are on a tight budget and we were kind of worried on how we can afford all the activities that we wanted to do. That's when we decided to implement these 8 frugal and minimalist travel tips, and we ended up having an adventure of a lifetime. And since then, we implement this on each of our every adventure. One of the best ways to save money on transportation is to use public transportation. You can take the jeepney or a tricycle to get around the city, and it's significantly cheaper than taking a taxi or renting a car. When it comes to accommodations, there are plenty of budget-friendly options in the Philippines. Hostels and guest house are great choices for travelers on a budget. If you really wanna experience the culture and save on cost, try staying on homestays. It's gonna be one of your best experiences here in the Philippines. One of the best things about the Philippines is its delicious cuisine. You can save money by eating like a local, trying out street food and local restaurants. Not only is it cheaper, but it's also a great way to experience the culture. There are plenty of activities that you can enjoy here in the Philippines. You can explore the beaches, hike the mountains, or visit the parks. These activities are not only free, but they are also a great way to experience the natural beauty of the country. Using cash instead of credit cards can help you save money on transaction fees and foreign exchange rates. Plus, it helps you keep track on your spending and stay within your budget. If you're looking to save money, consider traveling off-season. Not only are the prices for accommodations and activities are lower, but there are also fewer crowds, which means you can enjoy the sights without the crowds. Packing light not only saves you money on luggage fees. Believe me, luggage fees here in the Philippines, they're gonna kill you. Pack light because it also helps you get around easily. You can easily take public transportation or walk to your accommodations, which saves you money on transportation. Planning ahead can help you save money on your trip. Researching accommodations, activities, and transportations ahead of time can help you find the best deals and avoid last-minute expenses. So there you have it. Your 8 frugal and minimalist travel tips for your next adventure here in the Philippines. By using this tip, you can make most of your trip without breaking the bank. Remember to stay open-minded and flexible, and you'll have an amazing time exploring this beautiful country. Now, how do you turn that travel experience and make it into a travel documentary? Check out these videos right here and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that we can all learn, create, and share. Peace out!